Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove gift card from Amazon. So first you need to do is to open Amazon and log in into your Amazon account. So once you log in, you simply need to click here and you need to go onto your account. So once you are in your account, here you can see different options. You simply need to click on gift cards or you can click on your payments. So once you are in your payments, all your cards are added here. So you simply need to, here you can see that example. If you find any card, you simply need to select that and remove that card from here. So this is the process how you can remove gift card from Amazon. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.